Good evening and thank you for joining us. The province will now start covering the cost of a drug which reduces the risk of HIV transmission. It's commonly called PrEP, an antiviral medication taken daily. And as CTV's Mason Despatie reports, advocates are calling it a game changer.
Rusty Suleimanov is an assistant professor and director of the Village Lab at the University of Manitoba. He recently did a study regarding two-spirit, gay, bisexual, and queer men's health. One of the recommendations from the study was that the Manitoba government cover medication that helps prevent HIV.
As part of the project, respondents told us that they did have quite a lot of information already on PrEP, but the main issue with regards to accessing PrEP was cost.
As of Friday, however, the province announced it would be adding the drug to its provincial formulary, meaning the cost can now be covered.
PrEP is a game changer in Manitoba, as it has been in other places across the country.
Michael Fanous, a Toronto-based pharmacist specializing in HIV, says PrEP drugs are up to 99% effective at preventing the disease.
So PrEP stands for Pre-Exposure Prophylaxis, and it's the concept of taking HIV medications, antiretrovirals, before someone is exposed to HIV.
According to Fanous, evidence shows HIV rates drop when access to PrEP increases.
6 Canadians every day contract HIV. So that's a number of around 2,500 new infections annually. And in areas where we've seen PrEP's uptake more readily available, we see that number is slashed in half.
As for Suleimanov, he says the province's move to cover PrEP might have taken too long since Manitoba was the last province in the country to add it to its formulary.
The rates are still rising. Manitoba has the second highest rate of HIV cases in the country after Saskatchewan, which is basically speaks that there's still a lot of work that's remaining to do in the province.
Suleimanov says work can now switch focus to other HIV-related issues like stigma, racism, and homophobia. Mason Despatie, CTV News, Winnipeg.